If you were to ask me 5 months ago, I never thought that I would be saying this so soon. And if you were to ask me a year ago, I never thought I would be saying this in 2025 at all. Today, we're going to talk about $3,300 gold. Let's get into it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. We're pushing hard for 3,000 subs by the end of May. As everyone knows, gold has hit $3,300 per ounce, and it's floating a decent amount above that at the time of filming. And while that is an excellent thing for stackers all over the world, portfolios are increasing rapidly, security in our finances are only getting stronger and stronger. It's easy to get carried away with all the gains that we are seeing. But today I wanted to cover the potential downsides. Initially for 2025, my goals were to obtain a 1 ounce buffalo, a 1 ounce Canadian maple, and a 1 ounce gold Britannia. I wanted to have some of the most popular sovereign pieces in the world, and with this current price action, I just don't think it's going to happen. And to be honest, this price action, while it does make me happy, it has been stressing me out a little bit. I remember picking up this half ounce here for $1,440. Now you're going to be spending well over $1,600 per half ounce. It really just feels like gold's spot price is getting away from me, and that honestly stresses me out more than it makes me happy because I wanted just a little bit more time to stack gold. And while watching spot price go to the moon is great, I think it's important to acknowledge that we're in very volatile times right now. World finance is a very wishy-washy and eventful place to be in 2025, and I don't think that's going to go on forever. Eventually the dust will settle, and policies in place will remain in place for extended periods of time. It seems every 3 or 4 days we hear some huge news about a new tariff that's going to completely reshape world trade, and I think those days will come to an end eventually. I'm hoping America comes out on top, but in any case, we have seen metals rally incredibly due to these tariffs. And one important thing that I would like to point out is that once this trade war finally ends between the United States and China, what's going to happen to the spot price of gold? I don't know if it's going to hold its position. I don't know if it will continue to appreciate slowly over time, but most of all, I don't know if it's going to crash. So it really is somewhat of a stressful time to be a stacker, I think. It's hard to decide to pick up some more, dollar cost average in, establish your portfolio as much as possible because spot continues to rise. And you also don't know if you should take a step back and wait a few months to see if everything cools off and gold drops back down around $3,000 or less. Looking at the charts, it looks like a roller coaster ride. It looks like the tippy top of a mountain, and I'm just wondering if we're going to see the other side of that mountain. Are we going to see spot prices drop down 20-25% in a short period of time? So in the meantime, it makes buying a difficult decision. Now I do follow the rule of dollar cost averaging and then buying in a little bit more whenever there's a little bit of a dip, but as fast as spot price is moving, I just feel this strong desire to pick up more than I usually would because I don't know if gold will stop anytime soon. And then on the flip side of that coin, I don't know if it's going to correct in 6 or 7 months or in a year. So it's a very hard decision to make. And what I'm going to do moving forward is I'm going to stick to 1/10 ounce pieces whenever I can, although I would like to pick up at least 1/4 ounce sizes. I just feel there's a little bit too much risk attached. And while the upside of spot continues to sing like a choir, the downside is ever present. So my question for you guys is, what is your current buying strategy in regards to gold specifically? And if you're not buying gold, are you loading up on silver. I do see the possibility of gold spot dropping and the opportunity of possibly 80-to-1 silver to gold ratio becoming a reality again, but then who really knows? We may see $4,000 gold spot by the end of the year. But let me know what you guys are doing in regards to your gold buying habits. I would love to pick up some more. I've definitely got the itch for it, but man, it's difficult to balance investing in other types of assets while also balancing gold purchases. But let me know what you guys think down below. Maybe the next time I talk to you guys, gold will be at 3,400. I wouldn't be surprised. Stay safe out there, everybody. Keep stacking. Peace.